kapag namatay ako sa tabi ng himlayan ng yumao kung asawa mo ako ililibing.
Hindi ka mamamatay. Makakakuha tayo ng kwarto.
Roadkiller seems like it knows where exactly it will go and end.
There's something about her character that is really interesting. Tapos samahan mo pa ng performance nila din, talaga mai-inlove ka sa kanya.
For me, ito yung mga tema na kailangan talagang gawan ng material. Roadkillers is a must-watch.